Hello Pythonistas. Today we are going to see the basic data types problem in HackerRank, which is nothing but find the runner-up score. Given the participant score sheet for your university, you are required to find the runner-up score. You are given n scores, store them in a list and find the score of a runner-up. So what they are saying is the first line contains n, the second line contains an array A of n integers separated by space. Okay. So basically we are having how many people are there is with your element n, and this is an array. Here it is actually a map, so it is going to have a list which is going to be separated by spaces. So we are already having this array, right? So first let us try to print this array and check what is actually inside that. Let me run the code and see. Okay, let us wait. So here map object it is saying, but we need a list, right? So what we are going to do here is try to convert this array into a list. So my list will be is equal to my list is equal to, so I am converting this array into a list. So list of ARR. So this will convert my array into a list, and now let me try to print my list and run and see again. So this is what is called as debugging or step-by-step execution of the code, friends. So here if you can see our list is ready. So with the square brackets, so this is our list. Now our code becomes very easy. So they are not saying us to find who is with the maximum value, but they are saying us to find the runner-up, which is the second maximum value. For finding the second maximum value, what we can easily do is first try to find the first maximum value. How can we find the first maximum value? We can just write x is equal to max of my list. So this will give me the maximum element in my list and save it in the value x. What if there are two people with the same maximum value? So we need to find how many people are there with the same maximum value. For that I can write as count is equal to x dot count, sorry, we are going to count from my list, correct? So we should write my list dot count. My list dot count, and what I need to count? X. So I will write like this so that I will have a count of how many people are there in this X value. So let me try to print and see this count so that we will get a clear idea of how many people are there in this particular maximum value. So all the people who are having maximum value will be the winner. They will not be runner up. So we are just trying to see how many people are there with the maximum value. So I have run the code and it is taking some time. So yeah, if you can see, this 6 is the maximum value in this list and there are 2 people out of 6. So what is the thing is, we need to remove this 6 2 times from our list, then only it will be working. So for that what I am going to do is, I am going to write for I in uh, count, range of count, so that it will be working 2 times. What I am going to do? I am going to remove the item from my list. So my list dot remove, what I am going to remove? I am going to remove my x. So this will remove my x from my list, how much ever time it is available. So having removed the maximum thing, so now the maximum, if you try to find the maximum of my list, it will be coming only the runner-up. So now I will try to find the maximum in my list, or maybe I will write result is equal to max of my list. So what will happen? Now the result will hold the value of the maximum number, which is nothing but a runner-up, because we have already deleted the number from my array or from my list who is the winner. So now I can just print result, and yeah, so in our sample output we are just going to print the result. We will not print any other things. So let me comment my count, which I have already tried to print and see. And now let us run the program and check the output. Yes. So this is the whole list, and in this the runner-up is 5 and the expected output and my output both are same. So I think this is very clear. This is how we need to create our own logic and try to solve the problem. Okay friends, let us check all the test cases whether it is working. Yeah, all the 8 test cases are working fine, and that's it friends. Bye bye. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and have a great day.